Welcome this video. Platform depth idea. Create inspire for your outdoor space. A platform depth is one of the most versatile and style add you can make to your backyard and outdoor space. Unlike traditional rustic depth platform depth are lost to the group and add seamless with the surrounding whether your worth space to entertain, relax, or simple enjoy natural or platform depth can transforming your yard into a functional and beauty excellent of your home. We explored various of platform depth idea that inspire the type of help get standing with your project. Modern minimalist depth for those how application clean line and sleep appear. Modern minimalist platform depth is the great choose. Use compact depth in a multi-growing blend tone and keep the design simple with the not rain detail add low profile functional and natural color and a few pots plant to enhance the look to elevate the maximalist design incorporating both inside fire pick this keep and static streamline with often perfect multi-level platform depth. Even platform depth are low can be group that do not mean you can play with level. A multi-throwing design add an interior surrounding backyard. You can have one last for design, another for long for the hot tub or simple gardening. Your different material stream color to deepen each level can help the zoom wild minimalist look rustic natural wood a rustic style depth work beauty in natural set cottage style home lamp redwood or warm original feel level the wood and standing the appear line to highlights the growing if with upper charm and